My name is Amit Yadav and today I will discuss on the topic of web development. And let's give the overview of the topic of the web development. First point is the what is the web development, and second point is the types of the web development, and third point is to be the some key concept and their technology of the web development. So let's start. First point, what is the web development? Web development is creating, building and maintaining of any website. And web development which can be divided into two parts. One is the web and another is the development. Web stands for web page, website or any application which work on the internet. And the development is refers to the building a application from scratch. And move on the second point, types of the web development. Web development which can be classified into two parts. First is the front end and second is the back end. And let's move on the third point, some key concept and the technology of the web development. First point is the HTML, hypertext markup language, and second is the CSS, cascading style sheets, and the third is the JavaScript, and fourth is the responsive design, and fifth is the web framework, and sixth is the version control, and seventh is the deployment. So now I will discuss on the key concept of the web framework in briefly. So first point, HTML. HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. It is a type of language which is used for creating a web page, and it is used to define a structure and content of the web page like heading, link, text, link, list, paragraph and more. Now move on second point, CSS. That means cascading style sheet. It is a style sheet language which is used for control the appearance of content on the web page, and it is used to define the things like color, layout and font size. Now move on the third point, JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language and which is used for controlling an appearance of controlling an interactivity on the web page, and it is used to create a animation, handle user input and make dynamic changes to the content of the web page. Now move on the fourth point, responsive design. Responsive design, it refers to the practice of designing and building a website that look and work well on the different variety of the devices including desktop computers, smartphone, tablets. And the responsive design is most important because of more and more people are accessing a web page on the different types of the devices. So move on the next point, web framework. Web framework is the collection of libraries and tools that makes easier to build and maintain a web application. And some popular web framework like Django and ASP.NET and more. Now move on the next point is the version control. Version control, it refers to the that helps the developer track and manage change to the code base of the project. And some version controls including Git and subversions. Now move on the last point, deployment. It is a process of uploading a website or web application on the web server, so that it can be used by the user on the internet. So all the topic to be covered. So I hope you have easily understand